This is Classroom Practice 53, Exercise 1, Classify each sentence. Carla is a member of our math club at school. Who is a member of our math club at school? Carla. Subject noun. What is being said about Carla? Carla is. Remember, is a verb. Verb. Carla is who? Member. Does member mean the same as Carla? Are they referring to the same person? Yes, they are. That means member is a predicate noun. P-R-N. And that also means that this verb is a linking verb. A is an article adjective. Of is always a preposition. Of what? Club. Object of the preposition. What kind of club? Math club. Adjective. Whose math club? Our math club. Possessive pronoun adjective. At is always a preposition. At what? School. Object of the preposition. Period, statement, declarative sentence. Put parentheses around your prepositional phrases. We have a linking verb and a predicate noun. So this is subject noun, linking verb. Predicate noun, pattern 4. Divide your complete subject from your complete predicate. Find the verb. The verb is, so divide right here. Number 2, that horse in the pasture is a gentle mare. What is a gentle mare? Horse. Subject noun. What is being said about horse? Horse is. Is a verb. Horse is what? Mare. Do horse and mare mean the same thing? Of course, yes, they're actually synonyms for each other. They're referring to the exact same thing. So mare is a predicate noun, and that means this verb is actually a linking verb. What kind of mare? Gentle mare. Adjective. A is always an article adjective. In is always a preposition. In what? Pasture. Object of the preposition. The, always an article adjective. Which horse? That horse. Adjective. And we have a period, statement, declarative sentence. Put parentheses around our prepositional phrase. That's the only one, right? Yeah. Okay, and this has a linking verb and a predicate noun. So we have subject noun, linking verb, predicate noun, pattern 4. Number 3, the school principal is my very good friend. Who is my very good friend? Principal. Subject noun. What is being said about principal? Principal is. Is a verb. Principal is who? Friend. Are they referring to the same person here? Do they mean the same thing? They do. So friend is a predicate noun. That means is a linking verb. Is usually is a linking verb or a helping verb. What kind of friend? Good friend. Good is an adjective. How good? Very good. Very is describing good, so it's an adverb. Because remember, adverbs describe adjectives. Whose friend? My friend. My is a, I can put it here. Possessive pronoun, adjective. What kind of principal? School principal, adjective. The is always an article adjective. Period statement, declarative sentence. Do we have any prepositional phrases? We do not. This has a linking verb and a predicate noun, so it's subject noun, linking verb, predicate noun, pattern 4. Oh, and let's divide our sentence. Oh, I forgot to divide the other sentence. I'll go back and do that. Okay, let's divide this sentence, the complete predicate from the complete subject. Find the verb, and right before the verb is where you want to divide it. Let's divide our other sentence too. I should have done that before. Find the verb and divide right before the verb. All right, exercise 2. Write either the contraction or the contraction words in the blanks. You will. You apostrophe LL. You'll. I have. I've. Let's is a contraction for let us. We've is a contraction for we have. Is not is a contraction for isn't. Does not, or is not, the contraction for it is isn't. I said that wrong, sorry. Does not. The contraction for does not is doesn't. They've is the contraction for they have. There is the contraction for they are. Exercise 3. For part A, underline each noun to be made possessive. Write S for singular or P for plural, the rule number, and the possessive form. For part B, write the singular possessive and plural possessive of each noun. Make sure you're looking at these rules up here. Number 1, river bank. Let's underline the noun to be made possessive. Is river singular or plural? It is singular. Follows rule number 1. The possessive form is rivers bank. Number 2, truck tires. Underline the noun. Is truck singular or plural? It is singular. What rule does it follow? It follows rule number 1. And the possessive form is trucks, tires. Babies, bottles. Underline the noun. Babies. Is it singular or plural? It is plural. Follows rule number 2. And the possessive form is babies, apostrophe after the S, bottles. Number 4, glasses, lenses. Underline glasses. Is it singular or plural? It is plural. It follows rule number 2. And the possessive form is glasses, apostrophe, because it's plural possessive, lenses. Number 5, women jobs. Underline women. Is it singular or plural? It is plural. What rule does it follow? It follows rule number 3 because it is irregular. So we write women, apostrophe S, jobs. Bare teeth. Underline the noun. Is it singular or possessive? It is singular. What rule does it follow? It follows rule number 1. Write the possessive form, bare, apostrophe S, teeth. Radio knobs, underline the noun, singular or plural. It is singular. What rule does it follow? Rule number 1. So the possessive form is radio, apostrophe S, knobs. Flower. The singular possessive of flower is flower, apostrophe S. The plural possessive form is flowers, apostrophe. Roof. The singular possessive is roof, apostrophe S. The plural possessive is, well, let's make it plural first. Roofs, apostrophe. 10. Monkey. Monkey, apostrophe S for singular. And for plural, monkeys, apostrophe. Mouse. Singular, mouse, apostrophe S. Plural is mice, apostrophe S. Geese. Singular possessive is, well, we have to make it singular first, don't we? Goose is, and then for plural, let's bring it back to plural, geese is. Owl. Owl, apostrophe S for singular. Owls, plural, apostrophe at the end for plural. Diver. Diver, apostrophe S for singular. Divers with S apostrophe for plural. Editing. Use the editing guide to help correct each mistake. Paragraph 1, 9, paragraph 2, 16. All right, here we go. Lamar grumbled. Capitalize Lamar. We have explanatory words at the beginning, so let's put in an apostrophe right there. And then let's put quotation marks around what is being said. Capitalize I. Put in an apostrophe for the contraction can't. Capitalize I. Put in an apostrophe for the contraction I'm. Lamar grumbled, I can't believe I'm losing my recess to redo my homework for only partial credit. He would probably say that with strong emotion, so let's put exclamation point there. Let's count our mistakes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, good. Number 2. Miss Booth. Let's capitalize it. Let's put in a period because it's a title. Miss Booth smiled and said, we have explanatory words at the beginning. Let's put quotation marks around what is being said. Lamar, life has a funny way of making us pay. Lamar, life has a funny way of making us pay for the choices we make. It looks like you're almost through with your homework, but recess is almost over. That's life. Okay, so that's the whole thing is what she says. All right, capitalize Lamar. Lamar, comma. She's directly addressing Lamar, so we need a comma there. Lamar, life has a funny way of making us pay for the choices we make. Oh, she actually ends her sentence here, so we need quotation marks after that. But remember, because this is from quite a few lessons ago at this point, a couple chapters ago actually, We put ending quotation marks there, but we don't put beginning quotation marks in the next sentence because this is a paragraph. So we capitalize it, because it's a new sentence. We don't put in quotation marks there. It looks like your apostrophe, because we have a contraction. For you are, you're almost through with your homework, comma, because we have a compound sentence, we need a comma and a conjunction. But recess is almost over, period. That's life. Capitalize that. Put in your apostrophe, because we have a contraction for that is. That's life. And we'll do an exclamation point for strong emotion. Okay, let's see if we have all of our mistakes here. We should have 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay. We have them all. 17. 17 because of the last thing there. All right. There should be 17. I know that says 16, but there actually should be 17 there. All right, we're done.